We're going to explore the biggest changes in Social Security, such as Medicare, cost of living increases, earnings limits, and much more. So stay tuned for the full episode. Thank you for watching. This is Richard with Wisdom Invest. There's lots of new changes in Social Security in 2021. We're going to take a look at those changes and how they will affect you. So if you're already on Social Security or you're approaching Social Security, you're going to be interested in some of these changes. Here's what we're going to take a look at. The most important Social Security changes for 2021. We're going to talk about Medicare, tax cap on income, earnings limits test, accruing work credits, COLA cost of living increase, and the SSI supplemental security income. The first area we're going to look at is Medicare costs. The two major areas in Medicare is Part A and Part B. Now, Medicare Part A is free if you're 65 and over. If you're under 65 and you're wanting to sign up on Medicare Part A, it's going to run anywhere from between $250 and $458. Okay, so for Medicare Part B in 2021, the cost is going to be $148.50 for the first level, which is going to cover the majority of the people. As your income goes up, the Medicare Part B can increase. In 2020, the Medicare Part B was $144. They were anticipating a higher increase for 21. However, the good news is the increase is not as much as anticipated, so it's only going to be $148.50 for the first level category. What's the difference in Part A and Part B? Part A is hospital insurance, covers inpatient, hospital care, skilled nursing facility, hospice, lab test, surgery, home health care. Part B, which is the part that's going to be $148, helps cover medically necessary services like doctors, services and tests, outpatient care, home health care services, durable medical equipment, and other medical services. The next area we're going to look at is the tax cap on income has gone up. If you're earning wages, you're going to be paying 6.2% of your income into Social Security, and your employer is going to pay the other 6.2%. So the maximum cap has increased up to $142,800. So if you're earning up to $142,800, you're going to pay the tax. Above that, there is no Social Security tax in 2021. The next area we're going to look at is the earnings test limit for 2021. If you're working and collecting Social Security benefits, you're going to want to know about the earning test limits. In 2021, Social Security beneficiaries under full retirement age have $1 in benefits held back for every $2 they earn from working if you make above $18,960 in 2021 or $1,580 a month. Now, for those who have reached their full retirement age, you do not have to be concerned with the earnings test limit. You can earn as much money you want, and there will not be any benefit held back. The next area we're going to look at is accruing work credits to qualify for Social Security. In order to qualify for Social Security on the entry level, you have to have at least 40 work credits. That's about 10 years of working. Now, to qualify for a work credit, the amount of earnings required for a qualifying quarter of coverage is going up to $1,470 in 2021. So if you earn $1,470 in a quarter, you get one work credit. You can get a maximum of 4 work credits in a year, and then it takes 40 to start to qualify for Social Security. Social Security will take your best 35 work years of income, your lifetime work income, and calculate your Social Security when you become eligible for Social Security at age 62 or above. The next area we're going to look at here is the 2021 Social Security cost of living increase, COLA. The cost of living increase for 2021 is 1.3%. Says here the 1.3% COLA that goes into effect in January is calculated based on the year-over-year rate of inflation, and the average retired worker, the monthly Social Security benefit will rise by $20 to $1,543 in January of 2021. Now, some of the good news here is that the cost of the increase for Medicare is not going to totally eat up the cost of living increase. Granted, the 1.3% increase is not as big as most people would like to see. Here's the averages for those who receive Social Security. Retired worker, $1,543. This would be for an individual. Keep in mind, there's going to be people less than that and some people more. Just as a side note, concerning the COLA or cost of living increase, the Senior Citizen League is working to get legislation introduced that would provide an emergency COLA of 3% in 2021. In addition, the SSI beneficiaries, which is supplemental security income, they get an increase of 1.3%. In 2021, we're going to see changes with Medicare increasing a little bit, less than expected. The COLA is going to increase by 1.3%. Of course, most people would like to see that more. And there's going to be a higher earnings limit for those who are working and receiving Social Security and they're under their full retirement age. So stay tuned for more updates.